Hi friends, I was going to ship some of my greeting cards that I created, and I thought I would make a video capturing how I pack some of these cards into aesthetic gift boxes. These prints are from my collection called the Fleeting Florals and are high quality prints of my hand-painted watercolor artwork. I work under the watchful eye of Journey, who is allowed into the studio as there are no oil paints involved. So let's get started. I like to use self-locking corrugated cardboard boxes as the main packaging item. These are easy to ship and are lightweight. But can I elevate the bottom tray a bit? I take a beautiful handmade petal paper and print out a personalized note on it. This not only elevates the look of the cardboard box from within, but hopefully is also an element of surprise and appreciation for my friends or buyers. Next, I get the greeting cards to be shipped ready. There are 3 small greeting cards with unique floral prints on them from my collection. These are approximately A7 size, which is 2.9 inches wide and 4.1 inches high. Each card comes with an envelope that I've sourced from a supplier who crafts them from handmade paper. You must check them out in the description below. I also packed 3 large-size greeting cards that are approximately 4.8 inches by 6.8 inches. In case you're wondering, these lovely lavender-colored envelopes matching my artworks are from Amazon. Next, I need to tie up my cards into neat bundles for which I will use satin ribbons. But before that, a friendly reminder from Journey. If you've liked this video thus far, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. It may mean more treats for me. Thanks, Journey. I now choose a ribbon of my liking and tie up the small and large greeting cards together in individual bundles of 2. Now that the cards are ready, I prepare the bookmark that I'm sending along complimentary as a token of goodwill and gratitude. I use natural jute cord and create a tag for the bookmark. Next, I use an A4 sheet butter paper or tracing paper and place the large and small card bundles in the center. I use my custom brand sticker to seal the 2 sides of the paper gently, leaving just enough gap for the merch to show through. I placed the packed bundle of cards in the cardboard carton, which already has the personalized letter at the bottom, and placed the bookmark in finely. That fits like a glove. For final touches, I used some petals from a potpourri set, this one is from IKEA, to elevate the sensorial experience of fleeting florals when opening the box. I hope you like this touch as much as I do. With some final touches, these packages are ready to be shipped. Let me know what you liked about the process in the comment section below. If you would like to know more about my collection of printed cards, connect with me on social media. Link is below in the description. Journey, of course, seems exhausted from the process of creating. After all, he had to do so much. Thanks so much for watching, friends. I will see you in my next video.